In today's video, I am going to teach you how to exit full screen on Tradingview. If you've ever expanded a chart to fill your screen and then wondered how to get back to your normal workspace, this will be quick, clear, and easy to follow. Full screen mode is great for focusing on price action without distractions. But when you are ready to bring back your watch lists, toolbars, and other panels, there are two simple keyboard shortcuts to know. The fastest way to exit full screen is by pressing the Escape key on your keyboard. As soon as you tap ESC, Tradingview will immediately restore your standard layout, bringing back your sidebars, tabs, and any other panels you were using. This works whether you are in a browser or using the Tradingview desktop app. If you press ESC and nothing changes, make sure the Tradingview window is active. Click once anywhere on the chart to give it focus. Then press ESC again. This small step ensures your keyboard input is being sent to Tradingview and not to another app or background window. T here is also a handy toggle you can use if you like switching in and out of full screen frequently. Press Shift and F at the same time to toggle between full screen and the regular view. Think of it as a switch. Press Shift plus F to go full screen. Press it again to come back. This is especially useful when you are comparing charts, scanning quickly through symbols, or presenting your analysis and then returning to your workspace without hunting for buttons. Just like ESC, this toggle works across both the browser and the desktop app, and it responds instantly. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth if you have multiple monitors or several browser tabs open. Confirm you are on the Tradingview tab or window before using the shortcuts. If a pop-up or dialog is on top of your chart, ESC may close that first. Press ESC once more to exit full screen afterward. And if you rely on these shortcuts often, consider practicing them a few times so they become second nature. That way, you can move seamlessly between a distraction-free chart and your full toolset without interrupting your workflow. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.